Today, I'll show you how to change the date of birth in a Gmail account. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Your date of birth is managed in your Google account settings, not directly inside the Gmail inbox. Google says you can edit your birthday from the personal info section of your account, but once a birthday has been added, it can be edited, not deleted. Google also notes that changing your birthday can affect access to age-restricted content or services, and in some cases, you may be asked to verify your age. To start, open your Google account on your phone or computer and sign in. Then go to the Personal Info tab and look for the Birthday section. Tap or click Birthday, then update the day, month, or year as needed and save the changes. Google's help page lists this as the standard way to update your birthday information on the account. If you are doing this on mobile, the steps are almost the same. On Android, you can usually open Settings, tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account. From there, go to Personal Info and open Birthday. On iPhone or any other phone, you can do it from a browser by opening your Google account page, signing in, and going to Personal Info. The exact layout may look slightly different depending on the device, but the birthday setting is still in the same account area. There's also another detail to keep in mind. Google says you can control who can view your birthday by changing the visibility setting to only you or anyone. So if you want to update your date of birth but keep it private, you can do that from the same birthday section. If the account belongs to a child or is supervised through Family Link, the process can be different. Google says parents can manage a child's birthday through the Family Link app by opening the child's account settings and editing the birthday there. And one more thing, if you entered a birth date that makes the account appear under the minimum age, Google may temporarily disable the account until age requirements are met or supervision is set up. And that's how to change the date of birth in a Gmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.